we heard from you first. Perhaps you want to lead us off with a few of your key takeaways.
Sure. I guess I would say the most important thing that I would tell people is that the worst thing that you can do if you're an employer is to just kind of call someone an independent contractor without looking into it, kind of just saying, you know what, yes, you'll be an independent contractor, and then you cover your eyes and you put your head in the sand and you say, what are the odds I'll get audited? The thing I think to realize is that the odds of you getting audited are actually pretty high. And in addition, even if you're not audited, the odds of this issue coming up is actually very high, whether it's from the IRS or the Labor Department or a lawsuit. It's something that needs to be dealt with in a proactive way so that you can address it and make sure that it's done correctly before it becomes a problem. And then the other takeaway, I guess, would be to just remember, this was something that came up in the question and answer segment, but just to remember that you cannot hang your hat on just one or two things. There are lots of different factors to look into to determine whether someone's independent or not. And it's important that you take the time to be meticulous about that and to really analyze the different categories and the different factors that go into making such a determination.
Thank you so much. And Edward, perhaps you want to close us out with a few of your key takeaways from the webcast today.
Sure. And I swear I did not compare notes with Diane, but the couple of sentences I had jotted down almost exactly mirror what she said. A person is not a contractor just because someone calls them a contractor. What matters is meeting the legal requirements, and firms have to document that relevant information, the relevant contracts, the details of the specific economic relationship between the firm and its contractor, and of course the financial relationships. And they can do that with a detailed audit of the contractor relationship itself. What is the economic model of the contracting business? How are those financial transactions handled? And what are the relevant legal contracts that the firm is working under? Putting all that together, that's going to answer the question about whether the person's an independent contractor or not.